Hello guys, welcome back to me, talk about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can make money as a student this year. But before you get into this video, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Steviacom. Many of you have nice clear handwriting. Did you know that you can make money by selling your summaries or your notes online? Steviacom pays you for selling well-written notes of different subjects. They let you upload both high school and university notes. On this website, there are 4 things that you need to do. First, you need to upload your notes, describe your notes, publish, and start making money. Simple as that. And you don't have to pay any fee. For each and every sale you make, they take a certain commission. During this time of corona, many schools are having online classes and students are doing everything in their power to try and understand the content they are being taught. Research shows that there has been an increase in books and study note purchases in the last couple of months. This is the perfect time for you to start selling your notes. People want to understand the content much better. They are purchasing more and more study material. If you are studying medicine, for example, I believe medicine is not too different. So why not share your notes regularly and get paid for it? People are struggling with different topics in medicine or any other course, and if you are good in those topics, you can share with others while you're getting money. Some universities have state exams, and if you've been taking notes over the years preparing for your state exam, you can share those notes on Steviacom. There's another website called Timenet. They pay you for uploading ebooks, study guides, notes, summaries, etc., and they give you 85% of your sales. If you are tired of being a broke student, you may want to look into this because it takes minimal work. You are taking notes anyways. Number 2, Timenet. If you are into videography, there's an opportunity for you to make money online. Sometimes it can be hard to compete with other videographers in your city or in your school. Maybe they already know those people and they don't know you, so they get all the gigs. As an extreme introvert, I can imagine how painful it is to have killer video editing skills but no one knows about you because you hardly ever go out and socialize with other people. That's where Timenet comes in. On this website, you can find video editing gigs and you will be working as a freelancer, showcasing your work and specifying which kind of videos you produce or which kind of videos you edit. You can get gigs such as editing other people's YouTube videos, promotional videos, etc. I foresee myself hiring an editor at some point to edit my YouTube videos because editing is not something that I'm really passionate about, so it's something I would actually pay for. There are many other YouTubers or other creators of different platforms who hire people like you. On this website, you get to meet and work with clients from all around the world, doing all this from the comfort of your home. Stop sleeping on yourself waiting for someone to discover your talent in your school or in your city. Go to Timenet, find clients, and start making money. The small jobs you're gonna find on Timenet are gonna help you because you get to keep the videos that you make and you can use those videos on your portfolio. When you decide to approach bigger companies, you can show them your work and the feedback from your clients. You don't have to be studying anything related to video editing. If you have any skills or you enjoy editing videos, go out there and start making money. Number 3, Airbnb student careers. Airbnb has a list of student careers, even though there are only limited countries, but if you go to Airbnb and your country is not there, you should choose remote. They also have remote jobs for students, so you can work anywhere in the world even if your country is not on the list. They even have internships for students. Currently they have finance internship and it's remote, so you can apply for that internship no matter where you are. If you are doing anything related to finance, I suggest you go check them out. They also have other jobs in other fields. This is another good way of making money as a student working for Airbnb. Of course, if you apply for internship, it's not really sustainable because you're going to be working for 2 months and then after 2 months you won't have any income. But if you apply for normal student jobs, you can get money every single month for as long as you are still hired. I will leave all the links down below and you should check them out. They occasionally post jobs every now and then. Number 4, selling T-shirts or hoodies. This may be a pretty obvious way of making money, but guess what? People still don't take action. You can make money by selling T-shirts or hoodies on Printful.com. We all know students love clothes, so why not use that to your advantage and make money from it? You're probably thinking, but where will I print my clothes? I don't even have money to stock or pay the tailor. Well, that's where the website called Printful comes in. In case you didn't know, Printful is a website that allows you to design different things such as T-shirts, hoodies, and sell those things without having to worry about the actual product or producing the actual product. Everything is digital. Once you've designed your shirt or your hoodie, they print it and ship it to the buyer. So you don't need capital to start this business. All you need is awesome design that people will love. And of course, you have to advertise your work. This way of making money is not only for students, but if you're a student, you're at an advantage because you can market your product for free. You can put posters, hand out pamphlets, post on Facebook, advertise on Instagram. If, for example, in your school you have university pages, you can pay the admin and advertise your work there. Even though you'll have to pay, it's gonna be much cheaper because you're already a student and maybe they'll even know you. One advice I can give you once you do this business is to niche down in order to see maximum results. You need to identify your target audience. If this sounds like something you can do, go to Printful, see other people's designs and start practicing. Number 5, Palefish English teaching. Another way to make money as a student is to teach English online. Most companies require you to have a BSc or some experience, but this particular company take students without any experience or bachelor's degree. All you need is a test of certificate which you can get online from a company like Open Academy. Unfortunately, the certificate is not free, but it is a good investment because you pay for it once and you get to teach English for as long as you want and make money. Especially if you are still in the early years of your degree, this is something you may want to look into. If you want to start teaching English online without any limitations, get your TESOL down below and use my discount code. When working for Palefish, you get to set your own flexible schedule. You will be required to create your own live stream. You get paid anywhere between $10 to $18 per hour. Lastly, another way of making money as a student is to find a scholarship or a bursary. I know it sounds crazy, but having a good scholarship or a bursary is almost like having a job. So if you can, apply for bursaries, apply for scholarships. And that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I will try to reply as soon as I can. Until next time, bye.